Hello, people. Well, there are so many updates that I have for you. First of all, thank you so much for supporting our initiative, The Profit Curve. We want all of y'all to profit, and whatever ideas and suggestions we discuss are for educational purposes and not specific tips because we research, we analyze a lot on companies and scripts, and then we suggest and recommend. So, announcement number one, we are going to start a rather a weekend series called Stock Talk. Not Talk Talk, but Stock Talk. So, in Stock Talk, I'll have guests from the industry and they'll come and join me on YouTube, and we will be talking about investments, finance, and these are market experts. So, we'll be having regular discussions. That's one. Secondly, as you guys know, we are starting a new training program on finance, investments, and in general, how to make your investments high return, high portfolio, and how to make sure that you are self reliant. As a part of Atmanirbhar Bharat, we are trying to make all our investors self reliant with your own analysis. So, I'll be teaching you what are the tricks and techniques that we always teach our other students and experienced investors also, how they pick stocks, how they pick avenues to get more and more returns, how to maximize your returns. All those things we'll be covering here. So, first of all, thank you for your support. I have got some phenomenal response for this batch. These are the two updates. And the reason why we started this training program is because I realized that a lot of you are paying consulting fee to a lot of your agents or consultants or so-called experts. Now the thing is, you can continue doing that, but we are educationists and we are in the business of training. So my job is to train and to educate investors so that they can check for themselves, they can be self-reliant, and as you know, we are also offering a life membership to our group with the part of this training program. So do join us this Sunday and we'll discuss further. I hope to see all of you there. Take care.